Hey everybody, Ross Pudens here with Countryside Co-op located up in western Wisconsin. I'm the operations manager for the co-op. We currently got 47 machines in our fleet, and this is the first year we got farm mobile pucks in every one. So currently in our area, we're just getting started in the fields. Right now it's dry enough here that we can get out and do some VRT work, some potash DAP going out, early hay fields. I'm in a field right now where we got a machine running. New machine we got this year that we're calibrating and going through. First week of the season for us up here. We got some really good data that we're already analyzing and making some changes in how we do things. So we'll get you another update here next month, and we'll have a lot more rolling.